Welcome to the channel, people. Lovely sunny day. Not a cloud in the sky. Sorry for putting you in sun. Today we've got patio clean. Quite a long pathway. About 30,000 miles away from my machine. No wife, as it's Easter holidays. I'll turn you around and show you what needs to be done. This was done last year by me, so it's a returning customer. Got a smallish patio here. Get the walls done as well. And we'll freshen up. Halfway up here. Tiny little patio here. Took me most of the day last time because it's just full of black spot. It's not too bad. In fact, I can't see any black spots, so it should be reasonably easy this time. There's a little bit on the pathway and the edges. A few little stones there. Didn't do this bit last year. They wanted me to add this on this year. A little bit round here. Don't know if they want me to do this because I haven't moved stuff, but we'll go over it anyway. Very nice customers have moved all the stuff off the patio for me, which is always lovely. Just get all the debris blown off with a leaf blower and make a start. Machine's about halfway. It's longer than it looks. Let's get cracking. So all I use for leaf blowing is this Milwaukee leaf blower. It's not like the steel ones, petrol ones obviously, but it does the job. Does what I need to do. It does kill the batteries, but I've got plenty of them. It's quite good. One thing, pressure washing. What do you hate? Water pressure. I forgot about that from last year. Hopefully, fingers crossed, we've got a few coffees made for us because there's going to be a bit of sitting around, I think. Yeah, it can be a long day with that water pressure. It's all up and running. I'm only half full. It's been a good 10-15 minutes, so just do what we can and then have a break. That's all you can do. Try and get this top bit done, give it a treatment while I'm waiting for the water to fill back up. Just wanted to touch on these Q spigots. Bought them last year. They are the absolute dog's danglies. Just means you don't have to turn your machine off every time you switch something over. Got them from AC Pressure Washers, I believe, on the Black Friday sale. Absolute game changer. Moved all this stuff. Give that a blow out with the jet wash. Set you up on the time lapse. So I'm going to do rest this with surface cleaner. Reason being, turbo will take all them leaf heads off. Surface cleaner is a lot more gentle like that, and I can get to it all. This has gone around the car top. Loads of black spot. Loads of it. Hopefully we'll get it up. So I'll get this bit cleaned and then give it a treatment. The water's probably going to be empty by then, so have a good 10-15 minutes before I can start again. I'll go and grab the surface cleaner. Let's get on. So that's it cleaned. As you can see, it's definitely going to need a chemical treatment. Pretty silly lines with surface clean as well. So what I'll do is get that treated whilst the water fills up. It's probably bloody low. Let's have a quick look. So I'll treat that, and hopefully I can get on with the path if there's enough water. Where are we at? Oh. Turn that off for a bit. Yeah, I'll get that treated. Let that sit for 15-20 minutes. Hopefully it'll get most of that black spot up. Got more than I thought we were done, to be fair though. It's all the pathways washed down. It just needs rinsing off. There's a little bit of black spot up there. It's going to be a... Let's see how this top bit's getting on. Better. Definitely going to need another treatment. Oh, definitely. Hopefully we can get it up. You can't always get it up, so we'll see. We'll see. Shout out to the wife for buying me these, by the way. They got the radio, DAB radio built into them. Brilliant. DeWalt, DAB radio. Listen to some music while you're cleaning. Love it. Right, I'll switch back on when I get some water. I'm going to have a nice cup of coffee now, made by the customer. See you soon. So as you can see, she's flooding. I've actually lost pressure in my pressure washer, so this isn't the last thing in the world on this stuff. You don't want to go too harsh anyway. Start taking that. Down. Very important to make sure you clean up after yourself. Let's have a little look at the pressure washer. I'm hoping it's just a block filter. I forgot to do that. Let's have a look. Does it have stuff in it? Yeah, loads of shit. If you're ever losing power, just check this filter. Look, state of that. There's bits all in there. Let's give it a wash out. I think I'm missing a rubber seal on there as well. So yeah, if you're ever losing pressure, just give that filter a clean out. Hopefully now I'll have my pressure back, because my next job is block paving, so I definitely need the pressure there. Give this a rinse down, see what that top bit's like. I've given that a second treatment now, then we're on to the main patio. Let's go. So it's just patio clean, bit of green down there. Black spots there. Not a lot of salt. Got to rinse that down. Now the whirlaway's done with, I'll give it a quick clean. Put some treatment down now, give that a rinse off. I'm going to rinse all the pathways. Good job done. Still a fair bit of black spot, but I might have to I'll put the far side on it. That's come up really well. Put the far side on the black spot, I'll kill it over time. All right then. It's looking good. I'm quite pleased with that, to be fair. Done all the hard work last time I was here, especially that area. Bloody awful it was. I've just put some chemical on the main patio. That green's gone down there already. See it killing off the black spot around the edges. This might take another treatment to get rid of it. Looking good, nearly done. I might just do them slabs actually, rather than the turbo quick, while I'm waiting for this treatment to go. Give this sort of wash down.